welcome to Hedgehog Hollow and welcome to a November video. I hope you're enjoying this wonderful series, and today I'm here to officially launch the Nuvo Expanding Mousse. I'm super excited. This mousse is amazing. I've been playing around with it and all the amazing things you can do. It's so very different and it's completely unique to get this bubbly, textured effect to your projects. So I'm going to be showing you a few different ways of how to use it, and also some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. So let's get started. So I also quickly swatched out all of the different Nuvo Expanding Mousse colours. So here you have the Tuscan Gold, the Mustard Seed, the Red Leather, the Misted Mauve, the Boatyard Blue, the Bramley Apple, and the Grey Matter. And of course that Worn Linen. I didn't expand any of these because I just wanted you to see how beautiful these colours are. And you can expand these at any time as well. So you can leave these a few days and then expand them. You don't have to do it straight away at all, which I also really love about this. But I wanted to, now that you've seen this close up and you've seen all that beautiful texture I got in here, I wanted to show you how we're going to make a really quick and simple card. Cards don't have to take forever, and sometimes something like this can just be a beautiful centerpiece. So I have a card base here, and I'm going to just fold this in half, and I really should have scored this, but I didn't. And I took the opportunity of waiting for Greg to come and do this lovely B-roll for us to quickly have a nice nail colour change. And I don't know about you, that always gives me a fresh kind of feeling of like when you go to the hairdressers and you've just had your hair done and you feel lovely and whatnot. And so I'm just going to trim this down. It's 4 inches by 5, sorry, 3 3/4 by 5 is where we should be. 3 3/4 by 5. I'm also going to grab some of the Tonic Silver Screen Glitter, and this one is going to be 5 1/4 by 4 inches. That one's a little bit thin, so let me cut myself a new strip. So we're going to go 4 inches, and we're going to go 5 1/4. That's going to go in between just to add some nice bling to our Christmas card. And these papers and things are perfect for that. And then I'm going to do this one here. It's also going to be a nice 5-inch strip. It's actually 2 1/4 inches wide. So that's fine. I've also cut this Joy to the World, which is a Tonic Christmas die, and I've cut that out of the emerald green mirror cardstock. So I've just gone for really simple elements. There's no stamping at all, and this is going to be a stunning Christmas card. So let's layer all our pieces together. I'm going to use my Tonic Funky Tape to tape these together. So I'm going to put my black on top of my silver. I'm going to open this up. And now I'm going to put my silver onto my card base. And I'm using a piece of Graphics Silver Vellum. So this, I buy a pad of Graphics Vellum on Amazon. And you get silver, gold, white, and I think there's something else in it as well. But what I love about these vellums are that just for something like this, see how that just adds a little bit of frosting, but it just adds that definition to that Joy to the World. If I put that Joy to the World just straight on top, it kind of gets lost. But by adding that over, I still see all of that amazing embellishment mousse, all that detail, but it gives that definition to the Joy to the World. And you don't say have to have it in the center. I think we may actually add it to that bottom third like this. So to add the Joy to the World, I'm going to use my large Nuvo glue pen. And I'm just going to dot my glue pen over. And I'm first of all just going to stick it on the vellum in the center as much as I can. And again, best way to do this is take a second piece of cardstock, put it over the top and give it a really good press. If any glue squidges out, you're not going to get it all over the place and create any dirt on your fingers. It's not going to get all over the place, and it's going to give a more even pressure. So that's how our Joy to the World looks. And then I'm going to add my Nuvo Deluxe, not my Nuvo Deluxe, my Nuvo glue pen. Again, I'm just putting it over that Joy to the World on the back. And then I take my favourite vellum adhesive, which is actually called Plus. Again, another Amazon purchase. I'll link this up here. And I just put a little bit on either side. And I'm trying to avoid that little bit of adhesive that I have on my glass mat. And I'm going to stick this down on here. And there you go. Super simple, no stamping, but lots and lots of glitz, lots of glamour in there. And I absolutely adore this embellishment mousse, and I just know you're going to as well. Sorry, expanding mousse. I keep calling it embellishment mousse, I think, because I've said embellishment mousse for so many years. So thank you so much for joining me here at Hedgehog Hollow as part of Nuvember. I hope you're enjoying this series. Don't forget to check out at Tonic Studios USA every single day on Facebook and Instagram throughout Nuvember. And don't forget to check out our Tonic Lives Wednesday, 8 PM Eastern on Tonic Studios USA Facebook page. And I will see you again very, very soon. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and you learned something new and you love this expanding mousse as much as I do. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications of Nuvember videos and lots more coming your way, and our Christmas gift guide as well. And we'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping. Bye.